Hello, welcome back to Natural Music. Today we are going to start the song, probably maybe the most famous hymn of all time, or it's definitely right up there, just simply the song Amazing Grace. And I didn't want to pass up one of the most popular hymns of all times, but I went and found some different things on it, but you can still sing the same tune to it. Kind of maybe some different ways of thinking about it. So this is the intro of the song that you just heard. So we're in the key of A flat. This is in 3/4 time. So let's go ahead and begin. We are actually going to start in the right hand on a E flat 7 without the root on it. So it'd be B flat, D flat, and G. See how if you had an E flat like this, and then you made it a 7, then you put the B flat down here. If you need to make sense out of that, that's how that works. And you can play the E flat with it, but I choose not to. And then the left hand, we are going to roll up E flat, F, and G. And if you want to slide that, slide into that G, you can. But I think I'm just going to roll this. And I'm going to roll this back starting with the G. So it's like G, D flat, B flat. But it's just going to happen real fast. Like so. All right. So that's how we're going to do that. So it's going to be like an E flat 7 with the G down there, but we're kind of rolling into it. All right. And then we're going to go into a F minor 7. So here's regular F minor, which is F, A flat, and C. We're going to take the C and put it down here, and then add the E flat in there for the dominant 7 note or the flat 7. So we're going to go, and then we're going to do octave F. All right, so just like this, then octave F in the left hand, then the F7, all right, hit it twice, and then on the 3 of that measure, we're gonna go 1, 2, and then on 3 of that measure right there, since it's 3/4 timing, we're counting 1, 2, 3, we're going to play a E diminished 7. So that is going to be an E, G, B flat, and D flat. And we're going to play an E octave down here. And we're going to hit the shell of it first. So it's E and D flat. And we're going to go B flat and then G in between it. Like that. Sorry, that's an E down here. So E and D flat and then B flat to G. So we're going to go in an E octave. So far we got it. All right. And then we're going to go A flat in the right hand, E flat, A flat, and C. I've taken the E flat and putting it down here. So I just kind of like that voicing. It's kind of flowing down since we just went. And then we're going to do an E flat in the left hand. So it's an A flat over an E flat. And then we're going to go that A flat. All right, 2 of those. 1, 2. And then we're going to play an E flat 7, so it's D flat, G, and B flat, and we're going to play the shell of that, so it's D flat and B flat, and we're going to go, and the left hand's going to play, keep that E flat there, and then hit the G, so, all right, so far we got, all right, oh, sorry, like that, so, we're going to go down here and play this A flat right here to kind of finish it up, and then we'll do a little any lick. But the A flat octave in the left hand, the A flat up here is C, E flat, and A flat. All right, so far we got it. All right, and I'll play this A flat octave a little bit lower, just kind of state it. So what we got up here, we're going to play a little lick, and you can kind of hear I think some guitars did that. Or I know some guitars did it with us, but this will kind of reoccur at the end of the song also for this arrangement. We're going to play an A flat like this and an A flat like this. So we're going to play E flat, A flat, and C, and then we're going to play this A flat, C, E flat, and A flat. Besides, we're going to roll it down backwards. We're going to go C, A flat, E flat, single notes. And then we're going to go A flat, E flat, C for this one. So we're going to go, all right? So, and then then we're going to hit a D flat chord with an E flat below it. So that D flat is D flat, F, and A flat. Regular old D flat with an E flat down here. And it's going to kind of end it. And if you want to, you can come up here. This is completely optional. And we're going to hit like a D flat with the E flat in it. So it'd be like a D flat with a 2 in there. So it'd be A flat octave with D flat and E flat, and you just kind of roll it. All right, so here it is real slow. Amazing grace. Okay, so you can kind of see what that is. It's really a simple intro, but it's got a few different things in there. Go back and listen to the demo at the beginning. You can really hear it in its context. But that is it for the intro of Amazing Grace in the key of A flat in a 3/4 time for this lesson. We will see you at the next lesson where we do the verse of the song. Thank you so much for watching.